how to turn on or off the touchscreen on your Garmin Forerunner 165. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go into the settings on your 165 and either disable or enable the touchscreen on your Garmin Forerunner 165. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So we can quickly turn on or off the touchscreen on our Garmin Forerunner 165 by first holding the up button to open the menu. Then in the menu, hit the up button one more time until you see System and select that using the Start or Stop button. From here, we just need to scroll down and select Touch. Once you get into Touch, there's two different options for the touchscreen. We can turn off the touchscreen during normal use by just selecting General Use. So if you wanted to turn on the touchscreen during general use, you would just turn that on using the Start or Stop button, and then the touchscreen will resume working. But if you also wanted to just turn off the touchscreen during different activities only, then you can enable it or disable it for all activities or choose individual activities to turn on or off the touchscreen for. So you just go in there and then you could turn on or off the touchscreen. Once you've made your change, just hit the back button until you get back to your watch face and you have now enabled or disabled the touchscreen on your Garmin Forerunner 165. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 165 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Smartwatch Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.